Rail Movement Planner in any operation in the world. Flexible remote installation. Among the core challenges we face in the current pandemic scenario, the need for efficient and innovative work methods have become paramount. New communication procedures and smart tool usage have been key to ensure businesses' success. But what about implementing Rail Movement Planner remotely? We consider the successful installation of RMP in our most recent clients a monumental achievement, representing innovation and efficiency that bolstered our current strategy. A new world requires a new proposal. Ensuring success in such a challenging situation demands even more precision, and customer communication is key. Through web conferences and e-meetings, our team seeks nothing but excellence while fostering crucial feedback exchange. After all, our remote work must keep our standards. We take action to ensure a flexible implementation with the same level of quality, agility, and flexibility that our immersive implementations have always delivered. And this is possible due to our current workflow that counts with many incentives to foster better communication between our team and the client's operations center personnel. So we gather even more feedback on Rail Movement Planner usage. This means our work is set to meet all demands and specifications from the very start. But what is the remote installation process? First, there's a kickoff meeting in which our team analyzes the operations center and its core demands. Then, a parametrization is elaborated so we can follow with the pre-installation step. Another factor that boosts this process is our software's modularity, which involves planning algorithms, integration middleware, railroad virtual representation, graphic interface, and allows parallel work in different fronts. After that, the solution is put to work, always with 24/7 support from the installation team and acquiring feedback about how the operations center team works with the technology. Training sessions are held for traffic controllers, and any problems or questions are properly addressed at this stage. In this step, communication between teams is encouraged, so we meet all expectations defined upon commissioning. This procedure ensures substantial savings for the client, since it relieves the need for team members to accompany us during the immersion period, meaning the execution stage begins much sooner and hastens the following steps. This allows both teams to work within their rhythms and according to their schedules, generating less stress. So 2020 came with innumerable challenges, but we managed to turn them into success cases. During 2020's first semester, we had the opportunity to put our improved work procedures in action for a new RMP installation in an Australian mining operation. This meant remotely gathering requirements, assessing operational rules, and testing. We could also face the same challenges while performing assisted operations in some of our clients' operations in Chile. So all these challenges become opportunities for us, thanks to smart and dynamic management that promotes ease of installation and support follow-up backed by fitting communication tools. With hard work and dedication, we transformed troubling times into an opportunity for improvements. Be part of this success. Contact us for a demo or trial of Rail Movement Planner in your network.